Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and foolproof way to unsync contacts from your Google account in Gmail. Whether you want more control over your contacts or just prefer managing them separately on each device, this guide will help you do it easily in 2025. Stick around till the end and I'll cover all the important things you need to know about unsyncing your contacts. Access your Google account settings. First, open any web browser and go to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture headquarter icon. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your account dashboard. Navigate to Sync Settings. Once inside your account settings, look for the Sync is On option. Click on it to open your synchronization settings page. Here you'll see a list of data types that are being synced across your devices, including contacts, calendar, and more. Disable contact synchronization. Find the Contacts option and toggle it off. You may see a confirmation message pop up. Just confirm your decision. This will stop your contacts from syncing automatically across all devices linked to your Google account. Key things to keep in mind. Unsyncing has a few important effects. Future updates. Stop. Any changes you make to contacts on one device won't appear on others. Data separation. Your existing contacts remain on your Google account, so nothing is deleted automatically. Full local control. If you want complete control, you might consider exporting or manually managing contacts on each device. By turning off sync, you're essentially taking charge of how and where your contacts appear, giving you more flexibility and privacy. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to unsync contacts from your Google account in Gmail. It's simple, fast, and keeps your contact management fully under your control. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.